Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to transplant your basil for planting in the garden later. Here's a clip from the show. And then over here is our basil, and it was in my germination chamber with 12 hours of lights on, 12 hours off, temperature ranging in there, gosh, between 70 and almost 80 degrees. For some reason that thing's running really hot this year. So basil, very happy because of that. But what I want to do is transplant those into, I got 32 pots here, which is more basil than we need, but we always want to have more than we need because things happen, you know. The dog might eat it, the cat might knock it over, so we're just going to pull these up and we're going to transplant these so that they can start to grow a little bigger. So I pulled them up from the bottom, and then I'm going to separate these very gently, and I'm going to bury these in here, and then these are going to get watered, and then they're going to go back into the germination chamber where I have the lights on and the nice warm nights, because the basil will grow like crazy that way. So we're just going to get these transplanted. First thing I got to do after I transplant is burp the baby, so I got to get it watered. So we'll get those watered and then we'll go store these again. If you wanted a little basil snack, like this guy here has grown tall, and if you want it bushy, you can take out that joint and just plant this, and then you can eat the little basil snacks if you want to. So it's okay to shorten those. Now this guy, he doesn't need shortened because he doesn't have that second set of leaves, so he can just go in straight. And we'll probably harvest off of this tray a couple times before we actually plant them in the garden, because it's going to be a little too cold out here for probably another 4 weeks. And these guys are growing really nicely, so we might have a few little basil snacks between here and there. All right, so I got 32 basil plants. And I'm going to soak these down, soak them again, and then I'm going to get them out of the light here and back into their germination chamber and let these guys continue to grow. This is going to be a really nice crop of basil this year. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 2. If you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.